only one game in the world that you can't beat, and that's golf.
All right, so it's Monday night here at the World Golfers Championship. We're in Marbella, but tonight we're in Puerto Banús, and we are at the Bang & Olufsen party. And this is a wild party. These people have really got panache and style, and they're entertaining us, showing us home entertainment systems. They're showing us the only 103-inch screen in Europe, and they're doing all kinds of things to entertain us, like free wine and stuff, and everybody's having a great time. And we thank them for what they did to help make our party special this week. Now it's Tallo.
Tallo is my name, yeah.
Tallo, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, Tallo, you're here with the Bang & Olufsen, right?
Yep.
Tell us a little bit about this company that's hosting this fabulous party tonight.
Yeah, okay, I can tell you that we've been here for about now 20 years in the coast, okay? And our main goal is to get clients, satisfied clients, okay? What I can tell you is that we travel a lot. We travel all around the world doing nice installations.
You do
okay?
installations of these high-definition theaters and big screen television systems.
Exactly, it's like a very technological installations, okay?
Yeah.
It's not just Bang & Olufsen. What we create is like a nice audio and video installation, lighting, satellite, telephone. So we create a nice ambience, you know? Our kind of client is the client who wants one person to do everything, okay? So it's one person, this one is maybe it's not very good to say, but it's like a one ass to kick.
Okay.
Sorry, but that would be the definition.
Now, who's responsible? Who's responsible for the panache, the style of this place, these offices?
We have many people involved, okay, in this company. So we have our architects, our own architects, interior designers. We have professionals for everything we do, okay? For example, for satellite, for audio, video. So we create like a very close company. It's like a family company, yeah. And we create this ambience, you know. It's
oh, you're unique. You're unique. You know, no question. You have real style.
100%, we are unique. That's for sure, and that's why the clients have this kind of confidence with us. You know, some of them, of course, they live here, they have nice houses, and then they invite us to their own countries. You know, to create the same magic thing. You know, in their houses outside. Here.
Okay. Well, thank you so much for hosting the party tonight.
Yeah, you're welcome. You're welcome.
Yeah. It was a wonderful party.
Thank you very much.
Very exotic.
Yeah, thank you. I appreciate that. Yeah,
all right,
thank you.
Okay. So you would think we're in Egypt or someplace very exotic. Well, we are actually. We're in Marbella, and we're here with this lovely lady outside a home entertainment center that's a special, only in Europe, right here.